Na 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 na. Alright. Can you hear the music? So a place close to me has been having a rager all day, and we've had loud music through the day. It's almost 5 o'clock now, and I'm just like living in a party. But yeah, that's what's going on. Today is Saturday evening. I am not in bed like sleeping or anything. I've just been sitting and putting my legs up because I did a 10K this morning and I'm a bit knackered and my knees are a bit knackered. But we have to run some errands really quickly, and then we have an event to get to tonight. Vaibhav and I are going out and we're going to get all dressed up. So I'm going to quickly run to the laundry, pick up Vaibhav's suit which I've given for ironing. Then we have to walk Mars, get some caffeine in the system because I'm tired. And I woke up at 7:30 today. Okay, less cribbing, more working. Let's go. Colaba Causeway on a Saturday evening is absolutely like chaos. ये सामने वाले ही हाँ. Suit done. You wanna go walkie? Who wants to go walkie? You wanna go to Milwaukee? Chicken leg, JH? Chicken leg. Never gets old. Walkie. Sausage. Cheese. All your favorite things. Wanna go down or no? Come. What's going on here, buddy? Who's that, Mars? Cheeky. Done. How was your trip to Milwaukee? So I'm back, knackered, really in desperate need of a pick-me-up. Just finished another 1K walk. This is my dog walk, usually 1K in the evening, 1K in the morning, and I did a 10K run. Let me show you guys today's stats. It's been a good day in the workout department. What did you think of the show, Vaibhav?
It was brilliant.
We'd like some fashion insights from you.
The concept and the whole setup was so international. Plus the clothes, I'm saying clothes.
The course.
I'm driving and you're making me like think and talk, yeah. And that too about fashion. I have fucking like very limited vocabulary. But I loved it, and the best part was the food.
Each lesson I receive, it keeps bringing me joy.
Some Sunday music for everybody. Some road work on. There we go. And these guys have done a great job of finishing this.
This guy has been trying to get married for the longest time, but he just cannot make up his mind. He's changed his religion, but he hasn't gotten married.
This is Vaibhav's favorite mannequin in the whole world.
Yeah.
checks him out every Sunday on our way to breakfast to see
Deserves to be on like Oxford Street in London somewhere.
where are we going ever? Where's this mystery breakfast place?
We're actually not going anywhere. Where this is like home.
Home.
This is our own kitchen. We just have to pay a lot of money to eat here.
Down on me. Each new blessing I receive. Blessings falling down on me.
Okay, breakfast done. Now we are heading to the Urban Art Festival at Scherezade.
Yes.
This is Mumbai's famous Sassoon Dock. This is one of my favorite walls because look at that. Look at a hand coming out, and there's also a potato mask. Who's ready for their puppy cuppy? Come on. Come on, come on. Sit. Sit, Mas. Good boy, you. Back home. So this was our second time at the Urban Art Festival. Actually, we went for opening night when they opened, but we always like to see things differently in the day, night, all of that. So I'll probably go there again. This was our second time, loved it. It's free for everyone, so if you're in Bombay and you want to check it out, must do. And now we're just gonna vegetate, maybe do a little spa with a mask and watch something. So I'm using a Korean ginseng mask. It's like a gooey. Ooh, look at that.
I used to stick around, definitely not for too long. But boy, you got me hooked and made me wanna write this song. That all guys are the same. Apparently, I was wrong. Let me take you somewhere.
It's Scary Chef Sherry's room. We're in the kitchen. I am going to make some chai. It's nearly 6 o'clock, Sunday, very blah now, and there's no dinner, so because the cook doesn't come on Sundays, and why am I so sleepy? I slept for like 10 hours, but I don't know whether I should cook dinner, but right now I'm gonna make some chai, and you guys know how I make my Parsi chai. Okay, the first thing we're adding to some pani is some Brook Bond Red Label chai. Then we add some pudina and some lemongrass. I can smell it. Oh my god, it smells divine. Then we're just gonna add a little bit of milk. Cheers. Okay guys, it's smothering time. Look at this face. Look at this face. Look at how cute this face is. So it's 9:30 at night. I could have ordered in really easily right now, but then one of my resolutions was to spend less money on food. So I said I will not order in. I ate out yesterday, and that was my outing for the week. So I'm going to make a grilled cheese for myself. Yeah, I am getting ready to make my grilled cheese. Let me show you what I got. Scary Chef Sherry's in the house. Okay, so we have some olive oil and butter basically for the main thing in the pan, but we use the olive oil so the butter doesn't burn. I have some cold cuts, so I might do one with that and one with just cheese. Melto cheese, guys. This is like the best cheese for a grilled cheese. Everything melts, and some good bread from my favorite Mac Street. Okay, so we quickly just want to start with getting everything out. I've got my 4 slices of bread out. I've got my cheese out, my cold cuts out, and everything else out. So quickly just gonna put the cheese onto these. Wow, look at that. So one's gonna be extra cheesy with 2 cheese slices in that, and one's gonna have just a single slice with some meat. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use a double slice in both. You live only once. Here we go. This bit is for marzipan. Here you go, mister. You just want to close these like this. Okay, now through all my trial and error, what I've learned works really well with the grilled cheese is just butter. Okay, so if you put the right amount of butter in the pan and you put some olive oil before you put the butter so that the butter doesn't burn, you get a great grilled cheese. Let's hope that it turns out like I'm saying it will. Okay, here we go. So first you want to add some olive oil, like I said. I think I've added a lot of olive oil. I'm just going to say that from the get-go before anyone comments that. And then we're going to add the butter to this. So what I'm doing is I'm already coating the other side also with some of this melted butter because I know that one side is going to really absorb it really fast and then the other side is not going to have any of it. I feel like both will fit in here, so I'm just going to put them in together. Now you really want to put some pressure so that you get this nice and brown. Check it, check it. It looks good. I think it is quite melty. And now we're gonna try and flip this guy. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, managed. Not bad. Oh, don't fall up. So this one's definitely like browner and burnter than this one, but I kind of like it like that also. Like I like mine toasty and burnt. And while we're at this, let me also show you guys my jugaad of how I'm shooting this. So that is my grilled cheese and that is my setup. Burning, 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 quickly removing before I burn everything. Look at that beautiful partially burnt grilled cheese. That's exactly how I like it, guys, and that's exactly the amount of burn that I like to taste now. It's slightly burnt. I overdid it with the olive oil, but it's all good. It's gonna be yummy and I'm gonna enjoy it. The melty part, my hands are too greasy to touch the screen for focus, but man, melto is good. The days when I really I'm glad that I started like doing like basic cooking and stuff like that and making stuff because I'm like, okay, this is good. Then there are days where I'm like, how can you be 36 and not know how to make dal, Sherry? But yeah, it's a struggle both ways, but yeah. Okay, let's play a game. Comment below with one of your worst like cooking disasters, like one of your worst experiences. What was it like, and did you end up eating it or did you just like have to chuck it? Like, was it that bad? Somebody has passed out. Okay guys, I am in bed, and before I end this vlog, I actually wanted to have a little chat with you guys on content. As I discussed in my last video, which was my 23 for 2023. I do want to do a lot more short form content. I do want to do a lot more long form content and mix things up. And what do you guys want to see? I wanted some advice from you guys in terms of um, what are the series that you really enjoy? What kind of short videos do you want to see more of? Rather than me just like, of course I will put out stuff and experiment with stuff, but I also want to know what you really, really like and what you want to see more of. Yeah, that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. There was quite a lot happening. We went to two fun places, and oh, I feel like there's a pimple coming on right here. You know, when you have that sore spot and you know it's coming. It's coming. Well, yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below with everything that I've asked you in the vlog or anything else that you want to share. And I will see you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.